In front of me is XIAOMI 17T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off autocorrection. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to tap on Additional Settings. Then choose Languages and Import, Manage Keywords, and revert by clicking on it on the left. Following that, click on Corrections and Suggestions to use this switcher next to Autocorrection. This way you can switch it off or turn it on. Quick tip: if you decide that you do want to use it, I always recommend to tap on it on the left, and this way get access to this option called Undo Autocorrect on Backspace. If you won't like it, you already know where to switch it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!